Have you ever wondered what it takes to create a device that feels like magic in your hands? Today, we're taking you on an unprecedented journey, deep inside the walls of one of the world's most advanced manufacturing facilities, to witness the birth of the iPhone 17 Pro. Vast, gleaming glass structures are interconnected by automated vehicle pathways, all powered by an expansive array of solar panels. This isn't just a factory. It's a testament to precision, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. Here, highly skilled technicians in sterile suits work alongside a symphony of automated robotic arms, each moving with silent, calculated grace. This is where millions of tiny components begin their journey to become a single, seamless device. Our first stop is the very heart of the iPhone, the motherboard. We're looking at an extreme macro view, so close you can see the intricate pathways of its circuits. A precision robotic tool, steady beyond human capability, delicately places the iPhone 17 Pro's custom chipset onto the board. Every connection is made with microscopic accuracy, a critical first step in bringing the device to life. Once the chipsets are secured, robotic conveyor belts silently transport rows of these newly assembled motherboards. They glide through the facility, each one destined for its next stage of creation. The entire process is a masterpiece of automation, ensuring every board is identical and flawless. Next, laser-guided robots get to work installing the brains of the operation, the all-new A19 Bionic chip, guided by beams of light invisible to the human eye. These machines achieve a level of precision that's simply astounding. The chip is placed, and in a fraction of a second, the intellectual powerhouse of the iPhone 17 Pro is locked in. While the internal electronics take shape, another marvel of engineering is being crafted. This is the new aerospace-grade titanium frame. We watch as a solid block of titanium is precisely milled by a computer numerical control or CNC machine. Sparks fly in a controlled, beautiful cascade as the iconic shape of the iPhone begins to emerge. The slow-motion capture reveals the raw power and artistry in every single cut. After the initial milling, the frame isn't yet ready. It moves to a dedicated polishing station where an army of robotic arms, fitted with specialized heads, smooth every edge to a flawless mirror finish. The goal is not just beauty, but a tactile feel that is both strong and comfortable to hold. Now, it's time to bring sight to the device. Assembly robots, equipped with gentle vacuum tools, lift the stunning Super Retina XDR display. With impossible steadiness, the panel is perfectly aligned and attached to the newly polished titanium frame. The two core components of the iPhone experience are now joined as one. But a perfect fit isn't enough. The screen must be visually perfect. Engineers in a brightly lit calibration lab meticulously inspect every single display. They run diagnostic software to check for color accuracy, brightness consistency, and pixel integrity, ensuring what you see on your screen is true to life. We now move to one of the most anticipated features, The camera. An automated machine performs a delicate dance, installing the completely redesigned triple-lens camera module. You can see the individual sensors and lenses sliding into place, forming a system that will capture moments with breathtaking clarity. To guarantee that clarity, a high-speed camera watches as the lenses undergo their final treatment. They are polished one last time in a dust-free environment before a series of advanced coatings are applied. These coatings reduce glare, protect against scratches, and enhance color, making every photo and video pristine. Powering all this technology requires a next-generation energy source. Here, specialized robots install the new graphene hybrid battery. This breakthrough technology offers longer life and faster charging, and it's carefully placed into the iPhone's housing, ready to fuel a full day of use and more. Each device is unique, and its identity is engraved with light. A worker scans each unit, and a red laser instantly etches a unique serial number onto the frame. This permanent mark is a key part of its journey from the factory to the user. To protect all this incredible technology from the elements, the iPhone must be sealed. In an extreme close-up, we watch as a machine applies a gasket with microscopic precision around all the edges. This seal is what gives the iPhone its remarkable water resistance, providing peace of mind in everyday situations. The devices are then moved to a thermal testing chamber. Here, they are subjected to extreme hot and cold temperatures and fluctuating pressure, simulating years of use in harsh environments to ensure uncompromising durability. Next, the drop test lab. It might look brutal, but it's essential. A robotic arm repeatedly drops the iPhone 17 Pro from various heights and angles onto solid steel blocks. These controlled tests are analyzed in super slow motion to study impact absorption and identify any potential weaknesses, ensuring the final design is as tough as it is beautiful. The camera's performance is also put to the test. In a dedicated room, robotic rigs move the phone through a series of complex motions, from sudden shakes to smooth pans. This rigorous process tests the advanced optical image stabilization and ensures every photo is sharp and every video is smooth, no matter the situation. Security is paramount. In the Face ID calibration room, specialized infrared scanning equipment tests and calibrates the advanced sensor array. Each device is fine-tuned to ensure it recognizes its owner securely and instantly. We've reached the final assembly line. The completed phones move neatly on a conveyor belt, glowing softly under the clean factory lights. Technicians perform one last series of quality checks, a final human touch to verify the work of the machines. They inspect every seam, test every button, and ensure each device meets Apple's exacting standards. Finally, the packaging area. Here, another set of robotic arms gently places each iPhone 17 Pro into its box, along with its accessories. The journey is complete. Finished, sealed iPhone 17 Pro units are stacked in clean, white crates, organized and ready for their journey to every corner of the globe. From a block of metal and a handful of silicon to a powerful, personal device. This is the story of the iPhone 17 Pro. A story of obsession over every detail of the harmony between human ingenuity and robotic precision. As the lights in the factory dim and we pull away from this campus of innovation, one thing is clear. The magic isn't just in the final product. It's in the passion, the precision, and the vision that brings it to life. Thanks for watching.